Hey guys, what is up? This is Fail Fanatic, and today we are back. Today we're playing White Noise Online. I've never played this game before. I don't know what to expect. So we're gonna quick join a match here. I'm gonna lobby with this guy. Left bumper. Ew, I don't want to be girl. Ew. I'll be this guy. No, wait. Holy claws. Can we, like, start it or something? I'll be this guy, cause... Oh, he's stupid. I'll be him. Alright. Ooh, crap. Alright, we need one more person, it looks like. Who's gonna be that? I wanna be that blue head guy. Yeah, that one. That he was just. He's like, oh, he left. Butthole. Alright, well. I think we're just gonna do a nightmare. Let's do hard. A random location. I wanna be him. Plus 3 flashlight. Let's be this guy. Run, right trigger, pick up, flashlight. Alright. This reminds me of Slender. Ooh, a house. I wonder if there's something in the house. I bet there is something in the house. And my bet was wrong. Okay. What about this house? What's that noise? Oh, it's one. What? Say what? 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 Ooh, a river. Can't go down it. There's a bridge. Whoa! Whoa, what is that? What is that? I'm looking away. Run, run, run. Get away from me. I'm turning off the light. He can't see me if there's no light. Ooh, is he still there? Leave me alone. Big scary alien guy. God, they gave me goosebumps. What was that? Oh, I'm gonna have nightmares. Oh, this guy's a douchebag. Oh, I hear his breathing. Scared me. I don't like this game alone. This game is scary alone. Why am I playing this? This game sucks. It's so scary. Oh, 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 oh. What's that green thing right there? Can you see me? This reminds me of Slender. What is that? What is that? Sounds like zombies are like walking around or something. What the? It's a windmill. I'm scared. Ah! Scream. Scream. Scream and run. Scream and run. Scream and run. There's no shame in running from aliens. Especially when they're staring at you like that. That scared me. Found one. I'm not dead yet. Alright. What are these things? Pillars. My character screamed just as I did. Who died here? Wait. Probably gonna be me next. Rest in peace, says Little Skull. That one says nothing. Oh, 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 oh. Get away from me. Can I open a door? No, I can't. Those guys are like stalking me or something. Scaring me. I'm like getting goosebumps. I'm about to pee myself. Not as bad as when I played House 2 though. House 2 is like the worst game ever. It's so scary, it's not even funny. How scary it is. What was that? I'm going over here. Probably not the best idea to go straight into the woods, but I don't care. What is that? Like a slippery slide or something? Like a... Oh. Oh no, it's just like a shed thing. With a giant buzz. Why don't I pick that up? Or my light is flickering. Ooh, 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 get away from me! No! They can't see me if my light's off, can they? I think the battery in my light is gonna go out. Cause it's like flickering. Oh god. What was that? You guys need to get away from me. Alright. What is over here? What does this button do? Oh, that paused the game. Alright, let's sprint away. What is this? It's a little shack. It's one of those like haunted houses that looks like. Ooh. Saw like a hawk move or something. Are we back at the graveyard? Oh, I hate this place so much. This game is like going to make me pee my pants. Whoa! Whoa, what'd you see? What'd you see? What'd you see? What just made it flash? Ooh, 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 ooh. Stop it! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I didn't do anything! Where is he? Where are you? Where are you? Get away from me. Is it? Ah! This game is terrible. Why did I have to do this to me? Memory of Fail Fanatic 12. Survived 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Alright, let's watch the replay. What is the replay? Oh, it shows where we went. That's kinda cool. We went pretty far, I'm guessing. Whoa, what was that? Shows where we encountered him. Alright. I go right back through him. That's good. I encountered him there. Every time I see him, I just sprint. And whoa. Does that mean it's like close? That means I barely saw him, I'm guessing. The bomb probably means that I was like really close to him. And then the exclamation is probably like medium or something. I go all the way back. It was! I go straight back. You can't touch me! Oh, there's the graveyard. And then I die right here or something. What do I die? Oh, and that's where I died. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this.